Good morning. We had another ice storm here. This was real pretty. Yeah, well, the sun is right there, but of course, just as soon as I came out with the camera, the cloud came over. This was real pretty, if you want to call ice storm pretty. We had, well, I don't know how much ice, quarter inch of ice. I went to work this morning. I came back because we was on a generator. I'm about 20 minutes away. Big difference there, 20 minutes. Not much ice on the trees at all. So I was real surprised that we really got that much ice in this area, and then 20 minutes away from here. Yes, I've seen it in another direction, but not towards work though. Not towards Jay. I was very surprised. The sun's starting to come out here again. So we lost power. Let's see, just at the end of our road that we live off from. I forgot how many. I looked this morning too. How many was out in this area? 1,200 in this town. No, that's the way it goes. It was 33, 34 degrees all night. It was a, well, as they say, perfect storm. It was too. It was supposed to get up to 40, but it never made it. So all the snow, ice stuck on the trees. Hey, look at this. Look at little pumpkin. She can run around on the crust again, which we could have before. I think I did a video. There wasn't much snow, and she can really run now. So she will enjoy that. That's the grape arbor down there. I think we spoke about it in another video. That's on the upper left-hand side. That's our grape arbor. But just finally produced some grapes this year. I was really starting to wonder. You can see the road down there. It's a dirt road. But that's what went on here. I'm glad to see the power back on. Makes it easier. You kind of rely on it, I know. You know, and we got everything here that runs on electricity. I start up the generator, so that gives us running hot water in the furnace. So that's kind of helps, of course. You get used to it. I know there's some people that don't have it at all, and that's no big deal. But when you got your house all wired up for electricity and then you don't have it, it's kind of a bother. It went out at 3, 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and today somewhere maybe 10 o'clock, somewhere around 10, so that wasn't too bad. All the guys that have to work out in this weather, it's too bad, but that's what they do. So here's some more of the ice. That's my little pumpkin running around there. She enjoys being outside. You can see some of the pine trees that kind of bowed over, I guess you want to say. Got a brush pile coming up. Every country boy needs a brush pile. This pumpkin is going to investigate the brush pile by the looks. You can see the ice on the trees. The wind is just starting to blow here, and I can hear the ice falling off from the trees. Temperature this morning was 34 degrees. Supposed to drop down to 20 through the day, and then tonight it's supposed to be down to 5 degrees. That'll freeze everything right up. This storm was really a mess. See, before it warmed up enough, so it worked out good, but this time it didn't. It's just a mess of ice and frozen snow. Noontime, 15 degrees. This is part of the woods right at the end of our road. Ice on the trees still. Most of the time warms up enough. Well, the ice will melt off. You can see a little bit of the brook. I'm going to walk down so you can see it more. See the sun on the ice. Makes it look pretty. And we was without power. 3 o'clock in the afternoon till about 9, 10 o'clock in the morning. So most of the time it warms up after a couple days and all this will melt off, but not this time. This turned into an awful mess here. You can see the brook right there. You can probably hear the car running. Walking right by the car right now. This is the ice right here. You can kind of see it there. I can't even break it off even. There's my hand right there. Lucky we didn't get more of a mess than what we did. But there it all is right there. You can see it tried to hang down on it. Started to melt, but I don't really know how thick it is. I can't really tell really. Well, kind of looks like a 1/4 inch of ice. So, quite a mess. Here, crunching. This is the dirt road, by the way. Not that it really matters. Here's some more of the brook. It's not much of a brook, I don't know. I think if somebody somehow fell into it, all they'd have to do is stand up and they wouldn't drown if they stood up. You can see the trees over there are covered with ice. I must admit it is pretty. Oh, wow, it can be dangerous sometimes. That's how it is there. The truck that just went across the so-called, I don't want to call it a main road because it ain't, but it's just another small back road that's covered with it.
I'm going to show you some of the ice going down the road. I wished I had a mount, but I don't, and I'm not going to get out and walk because it's very icy. Just to give you an idea what the trees look like, the bigger trees. Look at that. Mr. R is taking me out today. We're going uptown, do a few errands. I'm going to mail out a few things. If I was home, I would have not been going out today, but he is with me, so if anything happens, there's 2 of us. You know, if you guys don't hear from me in about a week or 3 days, get all of somebody. I'm in a snowbank somewhere, probably. No, lots of laughs. That's not funny. It could happen, though.
And notice the road is icy, too.
Oh, yeah. Notice the road. This is all icy. It's trying to melt, but it's not. It's so darn cold.
Some places it's bare, and you never know. You come up over a small hill or knoll, it could be all ice. So you kind of got to be careful.
Yes, you do. Mr. R and I are both talking on that. You have to be careful. I did have a mount. See, look at the ice. Look at that. And they have put sand and rock salt on this as well. And it's no wonder we didn't have power because look at the ice on everything. Snap the limbs off. That's all it takes is one snap.
You see, this is all ice through here.
Yeah, this is nothing but ice, as Ray said right here. Okay, well this is going to be the end, and I'm just going to insert it with another video. Have a great day. Finish watching my video and enjoy.